Meaning of ignore.
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 Ignore. Ignore means to intentionally disregard or pay no attention to something or someone. When you ignore something, you choose to not acknowledge its existence or importance. This can be a deliberate decision, such as ignoring a noise in order to focus on a task, or a reaction to an unwanted behavior, such as ignoring someone who is being rude or disrespectful. Ignoring someone or something can have consequences, both positive and negative. It may lead to a sense of accomplishment or relief, but it can also damage relationships and cause misunderstandings. Ultimately, the decision to ignore or not should be made with careful consideration of the situation and potential outcomes.